HIJAB. Hijab is an Islamic term for people covering their intimate body parts according to the Quran. For women, it covers the entire body except their hands and face with the condition of covering the body lines. For men, it means to cover themselves at least from the belly to their knees. These are religious duties. But nowadays, hijab is a duty and a need in the nature of women and is regarded as a captivity. It is shown as something beyond civilization. Let's see if it is true. Actually, hijab is a need in every woman's nature. In other words, they got a protection for their sensitivity and their kindness, for their love, for their children, and the need of a loving partner, and the need in the nature towards hijab. Let us look at this with a shame. Out of around 10 women, 6 to 7 women are old or categorized as ugly by the society or extremely jealous. Out of 10 women, only 2 or 3 are young and beautiful. Old women do not want to show their wrinkles which are coming with their elderliness. They are uncomfortable that everyone can see their whitened hair. They experience mental issues. Women who do not conform the beauty standards in society feel ashamed and do not want to be seen by anyone else. Otherwise, they encounter social anxiety. Women who are jealous are afraid of other women who are more beautiful, or they want to show their loyalty towards their husband by covering themselves. Women who are regarded as beautiful feel disturbed by other men's gazes and want to protect themselves from these gazes. See, this is the Quran's miraculous hijab, which is the order to put all women on an equal step with each other. This eliminates problems of discomfort at all. It keeps a brilliant balance between every woman, because certainly people want to protect themselves from unwanted, uncomfortable gazes. Of course, a woman who wears revealing clothes likes the gazes of someone close to her, or 2 to 3 of 10 men. But they feel intimidated by the gazes of the other 7 to 8. We even hear that in Europe, the place of open and revealing dresses, many women are fed up at being the object of attention and complain to the police saying, "These brutes keep staring at us and disturbing us." This means that present-day civilization's hijab is the contrary of the woman's nature of covering themselves. Additionally, women in popular cultures who are not dressed according to Islamic standards feel themselves forced to use cosmetics, accessories, bags, shoes and dresses, followed by hairdressers and nice hairstyles. Other than women who are dressed according to the Islamic standards and are truly free without being put under pressure of society. At this point, we could ask, why do we try to raise awareness of morals for men instead of trying to cover women? Absolutely true. Because when we look at the Surah Al-Nur, these ayats about hijab are firstly about men covering with their eyelids. If implemented, these ayats will abolish these problems in society. As follows, imagine a non-Muslim woman and a man. The moment the man looks at the woman, the desire of showing off more of her beauty grows. Or in contrary, when a woman is dressed revealing, the man's desire of looking at her will increase. Over time, these events lead to the destruction of the society's morals. When imagining a Muslim woman and a man, the moment the man does not look at the woman, her desire of looking more beautiful decreases. And by not being gazed at, she will accept the hijab, and this is in her nature. In contrary, a woman who wears clothes according to the rules of hijab and does not show her beauty to everyone, men will not have the desire to look at her, and in this way the religious needs and the society's morals are protected. Long story short, the rules of the Quran say that unless a man does not look at a woman, she will not clothe revealingly, and if a woman does not clothe revealingly, a man will not look at her. But nowadays, not all men protect their modesty, and not every woman decide to clothe according to the Islamic standards. In this disharmony, an individual could do one's part and try to be an example for others. Men who look at women should bear these words in mind. What will you achieve by looking at her, and what will you lose by not looking at her? Lastly, against the ironic imbalance of being revealing under the name of civilization, we say, hijab is liberty.